Hey, what's up, Polygon Matic holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, we are talking about the Polygon Matic. What's going on in the Polygon? What's the latest update? What? In a previous time, the price of Polygon Matic is completely dumps now. So, in this video, we especially discuss the funds of the Polygon Matic. And you know what? A lot of people ask me questions about Polygon Matic that when will the price rise up? So let's see, my friends. First of all, make sure to subscribe. Click the subscribe button now and also like this video for more this kind of urgent news and updates videos. Now, my friends, at this time the latest price of the Polygon Matic in the market is 0.798034 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Polygon Matic. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes, so you can see that the previous changes of the Polygon is completely in the loss, but now the latest changes occurring in the Polygon Matic is going positive. Only the latest, I'm talking about the latest changes, my friends. Just only the latest change is positive 0.2% positive, my friends. That is really a good news for all Polygon Matic, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of the Polygon Matic for more and better understanding. You can see here, my friend, that is the last 1 month. Last 1 month price chart and the whole month, my friends. Just look on the price chart. The whole month, the price of Polygon Matic is completely dumps now. The price is fast down from 1.54 USD dollar to 0.79 USD dollar. My friends, that is a loss. That is really a big loss for all Polygon Matic holders. But my friends, that's not mean then you decide to sell. No. I think it's time to buy more and more Polygon Matic, because now the current price of Polygon Matic is very low. In the becoming time, absolutely the price will increase in the future. So it's time to buy. In the future the price will increase. That's how you can get profit from Polygon Matic. Anyways, we can't say about the future. Maybe the price dumps more and more in the future, but I recommend for all of you, it's time to hold, not to sell. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.